The bond material in a grinding wheel holds the abrasive grains together and allows the wheel to run at the high speeds required for grinding. Bond material determines a grinding wheel's hardness, sometimes referred to as the wheel grade, and also affects grain fracturing. Cost is another consideration when selecting a grinding wheel. Wheel prices are based on the overall quality and amount of the materials used to create the wheel. This page of the catalog lists only wheels that have a vitrified bond. Also note that some of the wheels on this page vary in bond grade, indicated by the first letter after the dash in the wheel specification. Note that the maximum RPM of a grinding wheel decreases as the wheel size increases.